How to download Twitter app on Android mobile. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can download Twitter app on Android mobile. Now, the Twitter application has been renamed as X. So, to download the X app, you want to open a Play Store on your device. Make sure to sign into your Google account. Now, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once the search bar appears, tap on that. Then you want to search for X. Now, out of the search results, this is the application you should be looking for. If you want more details on this application, tap on About this app option, and here it says that this application was formerly known as Twitter. The X app is a trusted global digital town square for everyone. With X, you can post content for the world to see and join public conversation. Stay up to date on breaking news and follow your interest. Stay better informed with extra context from community notes and much more. Now, if you want to download this application, go ahead and tap on the install option. It will take some time for the application to be downloaded. Once it has been downloaded, it will be installed on your device. Then tap on the open option, log into your account or sign up and create a new account. Then you can start using the Twitter or X app on your Android mobile. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.